banded some of yours.
Yeah, no,
Oh, yeah.
guy came over
Jim
from
Parker.
Michigan.
Jim
Yeah.
Parker.
From Maine.
You want his
Yes.
band number?
Yeah.
Is this the only one that's banded?
Some
You
of
know,
them should be banded.
I tell you, I'm surprised.
Most
those
of them
others
should be
aren't,
banded.
but I'm surprised he missed those.
Those others I took out didn't have bands.
No, they didn't.
You gonna read that one for me?
Yeah.
Sure.
Get a magnifying glass.
Okay. 825 866 9. Hang on, I think it might be. I can't tell. It's 1. There's a 1 hanging in there.
Huh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh. Just double check it.
Okay, I mean, this is little. Okay, 825 866. There. 866 91. Sorry.
2 6s or just 1 6?
2 6s.
8 6 6 9 1.
Not 91. Yep.
Okay. 5 digits.
Oh, you're a fatty.
Oh, let's go here. So
He's at least a 5.
Yes, I'm picking on him.
Well, we had a big female and they gave us our 2 for our indoor aviary. And I mean, the food came out and she just jumped on, you know.
Has eaten well.
Oh, that's good. He was so small.
He's come around.
He's
He just
made up
lost
his
his
weight.
tail feathers, and so they didn't let him out with the rest, but they've grown back now. So they say he's ready.
Let's see.
He's good.
He's in good shape. He's not quite the
And
screaming, is he?
no trick.
We know what that is. Those white dots.
But you have some spare weight there, buddy. One of the fatter ones I've had. Okay, sorry.
I think
He's got enough
A week or two
tail,
ago.
so
Which one?
Good.
that one right there.
But we never got to